Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone for rollback. This minimizes risk and speeds recovery. First, enable OEM unlock in developer options and confirm bootloader access. This is required for flashing. Next, back up your user data with ADB or copy the /SD card to your PC so you can restore settings later. Finally, download the exact stock firmware for your model and the Android platform tools and verify checksums. Doing these now prevents mismatched images and brick scenarios once you begin flash. Once done, boot the device into fast boot or custom recovery. Use the proper key combo or a DB reboot bootloader. Then connect via USB and run fastboot flash commands in the correct order: flash boot, system, vendor, then user data if included, because ordering prevents package conflicts and missing drivers. Make sure to use the matching signing format. If prompted, wipe cache and dalvik/art cache to avoid boot loops. Decide whether to relock bootloader after a successful boot based on warranty and OTA needs. You finish by performing the first boot and initial setup. Expect a longer boot time while systems optimize. If the device boots, restore your backed up data and test key functions like telephony, Wi-Fi, and sensors to confirm compatibility. If you hit a boot loop, immediately reflash boot and kernel images, wipe data/cache, and check that firmware matches the modem or baseband. Mismatches cause persistent failures. One key troubleshooting tip: use a DB logcat to capture errors, then compare them to known issues before repeating flashing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.